Hello, in this video tutorial I'll show you how to crochet these tiny roses. You can use it as an applique for your projects, or you can make a hanger and a tassel and put it onto your Christmas tree. If you like the idea, stay with me. For the work I will use cotton yarn and Lidia 50 grams 320 meters and crochet hook number 1. Okay, make 42 chains. This is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and continue till you reach 42 chain. I made 36 chain as a foundation and 6 to bring up the yarn. Now yarn over, enter the hook into the 7th loop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 and make double crochet. Now make 1 chain, yarn over, make double crochet into the 3rd loop. Now make 2 chain, 1, 2, another double crochet goes into the same loop. That's the pattern for the first row. 1 chain between, yarn over, skip 2 loops, insert the hook into the 3rd loop, make double crochet, 2 chain between, another double crochet goes into the same loop, 1 chain between. By the way, you can work either in 1 loop or under 2 loops of chain, it's up to you. Skip 2 chain, next one, also double crochet, 2 chain, another double crochet into the same loop, 1 chain between. Continue the same way till the end. I'm about to finish this row. I need to make the last one. 2 double crochet into the last loop with 2 chain between them. 2 and another one. 1, 2. Ready. It's already start turning, which is nice. Next row, make 3 chain to bring up the yarn, turn. Now we will work in 2 chain space into the arch and we will make 9 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Ready? Now make 9 double crochet into the next 2 chain space into the next arch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. That's what we have. Continue the same way till the end of this row. Almost done. I need to make 9 double crochet into the very last chain, 3 chain space, and it actually looked like 6 chain space. So we did 3 chain to bring up the yarn in the row 1, remember? 1 2 3 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 9. Okay, now to finish this row you can either squeeze this, make 3 chain and make slip stitch into this loop. It's the 3rd loop to the end, or you can join it right over here. I'll show you why we need to do that. Now we can cut the yarn, leave the long tail like approximately 20 centimeters. Now you can get a needle, okay, now you can do assembling for the rows. That's what we have, will be in the middle. Just work all around the way. Now get the needle, go into the wrong side, hold everything, get the very last one and go through everything to secure and back. Till you will be sure it's totally secured. Now go to the face side, right onto the middle, get the bead and sew it. Now you can hide the tails. And the same way with another one. Later you will cut them. That's how it looks like. If you want to put it onto your Christmas tree, you can make a hanger. Just insert the hook somewhere and make several chains, 25 or 30. And go back and make slip stitch. Cut the yarn and hide the tails. And if you want, you can attach tassel. I also put bead in, and using these tails, just sew it onto the bottom. And hide the tails. That's how it looks like. Thank you so much for your time and enjoy your projects.